What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a long time since I posted, and I didn't have much to post. The car's been pretty much in storage for a while and sitting, but I have now got on the road. I've done small upgrades, not really upgrades, just more maintenance stuff. Changed all the lines to stainless steel lines. So shout out to bigbreakupgrade.com. He has provided me with all the lines for the car. Stainless steel lines with the fittings. Really easy swap, and everything came out pretty nicely. So I also replaced my rear calipers. So the original ones were just pretty old and beat up, and I just wanted to have fresh brakes on the car all the way around. And I was having issues with parking brakes, so I figured, why do a rebuild kit and get some stuff that you can find in some parts you can't, and just go with new caliper. So replace the calipers, got the lines on as well, and I'm going to try this eBay $20 one-man bleeder system. So I don't think I'm going to have much luck with this, but at least I'll get some of the air that's in lines out, and just kind of do a gravity bleed and go from there. So we're going to give this a shot. I've tried already a little bit and haven't had much success with it so far, but yeah, we're working our way from one side to the other, and we'll see how it feels from there. Okay, so I wanted to kind of show just how I got my bleeder system set up. So get a lot of extra hose and put on the bleeder screw. I put a zip tie as well, just to kind of seal off as much as I can. It doesn't get a perfect seal, but enough to vacuum a lot of the air out of the system. So I got my 10 mil on the bleeder screw. I'm going to pump up to about 15 to 20 inch-pound of mercury. That way when you go to open up the bleeder screw, it'll suck out as much as possible, and I close it when I get to about 5. And that way I don't get air back into the system. And a lot of the air goes into the line before it gets into the canister as well. Close her up and keep doing the process over. So on a car like this that doesn't have ABS, you want to start from the furthest wheel, from the master. So I'm going to do the right rear, left rear, right front, then left front last, and then hopefully I'll have a pretty good bleed on the system. I might redo it after a couple of days just to see what kind of works itself in either corner, and go from there. That's the process so far. After that, I'm just going to recheck my adjustment on the parking brake, and I should be all good to go. So hopefully this will solve a lot of my braking issues, especially with the fronts with the line lock. So I'm hoping there's no line up there as well, or air up there as well. So I'm trying to suction up as much as I can. And that would be really good. So after that, I will do a kind of wrap up and review everything and go for a drive and make sure it feels good. Alright, so just gonna do the last caliper now and bleed it. You also want to keep an eye out on the master. You don't want to get your dry fluid. I'm topping up as I'm going along. Still good. And just get a little extra. As you remove the line off the caliper. And that way you get no drips. There you have it. So now we're going to put it all back together and go for a little drive and see how it feels. Alright, so we're going to go test out the brakes and just make sure everything works. I feel like the handbrake is still not grabbing it. I did adjust it, but I think I got to do with like a second pair of hands to kind of set it with the brake on, or it's on holding the brake pedal down. As far as bleeding goes, it feels a lot better now. So we're going on a little drive and just feel the car. Seems like it might be time for a new belt. Oh yeah. Brakes feel good. Got a little brake. Yep. We got brakes again. Properly. Off the air filter to the turbo as well. I got to clean it out, so the turbo might be a little loud, but let's see if the front brakes hold with line lock. My biggest issue. Alright, so foot all the way down to the floor. Hold the line lock button. Right, they don't hold that great still, but I don't know, that's just the line lock is just shit. Brakes feel good, like they work, but the line light just doesn't seem to really hold. Back. Okay, that time they hold a lot better. So let's try again. To get a burnout going. It will work. I'll make it work. I kind of got to ride the brake a little bit to do a burnout. So be it.
behind me.